Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use share it with me in Google Drive. So what is the share with me, how you can use it, and what is the features you can use in share with me folder. So I will show in this video. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here you can see this is my drive, means where you can find the file or folder which you have saved or created. So you can see I have created folder, also I have saved file here like PDF and Excel and docs also. But what is use of share with me? So I will show you, I will tell you what is the difference of share with me on my drive. So share with me basically folder where people can share the file and folder with you. You can see I have the files here and folders here, and the person who share this with me, the person you can see name. Okay, so this is file shared by this person. Okay, on this time. So you can also see the name or email id. Just right click on file, so you can see the person email id here. Okay, so that is how you can see the share with me. So how people share with you? The people can go to the my drive and just create file and folder and just select and right click over there, and just they share, and they just write the email id of the person to who share with. So I just write this email id. So I share this file to this email id. Okay, so and I can write the message also whatever I want, and if I send it, so this file will go to this person in share with me folder. Okay, so if I send it, so this file will show with this to this person in this folder. So basically share with me is the file folder where you can find folder or documents we share by others. Okay, you can also remove this. Just click on right and you can remove from here. You can download it, you can make copy also, you can add this file to your drive also, you can add shortcuts to your drive. So if you want to add this to your shortcuts, it will be add here. Okay, so if I click on add, so my drive, you can also add on computer also if you're using the Google Drive application. So I just have to select the folder where I have to add this. So here I have to add this one, and I can add shortcuts of this folder. If I click on my drive, so here you can see this folder has been added here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.